Good morning, students. Welcome to today's maths class. So our next chapter is chapter 7, number line. Okay. Already we have discussed this number line in our previous chapter. First, number lines for natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So you can see this is the number line representing the natural numbers. Okay, it starts from 1 and it will go infinitely to one direction. To the right side it will go, it will continue up to infinity. Okay, and at equal distances you can mark points, that you can mark numbers starting from 1. Okay, in natural numbers its number line starting from 1, you can mark the numbers at equal distances. Now at the end you can see one arrow head. This shows that the natural numbers continue up to infinity. It will go endlessly. Okay. Next, second one, this is the number line representing the whole numbers. And we know that whole number starts from 0. Okay, so the number line of a whole number starts from 0 and at equal distances you can mark the other whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And at the right end you can see one arrow mark. This shows that it will continue up to infinity. It will go endlessly. Okay. Now this is the number line representing integers. Okay. We know that this integer, its middle point will be 0 and to the right of 0 it will be positive numbers and to the left of 0 it will be negative numbers. Okay, at both ends there will be arrow marks because it will go endlessly in both the direction. Okay, so this is number line representing integers. Next topic, using a number line to compare numbers. So a number line can be used to compare numbers. Okay, which number is greater or which number is smaller, we can tell using a number line. Out of any two numbers marked on a number line, the number which is to the right is greater, to the left is smaller. Okay, so any two numbers you take on the number line, the number which is lying to the right, it will be greater and to the left will be smaller. Okay, let us take two numbers, -3 and -1. Okay, -3. Two numbers we are taking on the number line, -3 and -1. You can see which number lies on the right side. -1 is on the right side and -3 is on the left side. So which one will be greater or which one will be smaller? The number on the right is greater. -1 is greater. Okay, and -3 is smaller. Okay, so in this way we can compare any two numbers using a number line. Okay, now let us do exercise 7a. First question, fill in the blanks using the following number line. So using this number line you can fill in the blanks here. Okay, first one, an integer on the given number line is dash than every number to its left. Integer on the given number line, any integer you take, that is dash. Here you have to fill whether it is greater or whether it is smaller. Okay, than every number to on its left. So it will be greater here. An integer, it will be greater than every number on its left. Okay, if you take the integer 2, let us take 2. 2 is greater than every number on its left. 2 is greater than -8. 2 is greater than -6. 2 is greater than -4, -2, 0. Okay, so this is its left side, this is its right side. So an integer is greater than every number on its left. Okay. Second one, an integer on the given number line is greater than every number to its left. This is the same as the first one. An integer will be greater than every number on its left side. The integer on the right will be greater and left will be smaller. Okay. Third one, 2 is greater than -4 implies 2 is to the dash of -4. So 2 is greater means 2 will be on the right. Okay. The integer on the left is greater. integer on the right is greater, left is smaller. Okay, so 2 is greater than minus 4 implies 2 is to the right of minus 4. Fourth one, minus 3 is dash than 2 and 3 is dash than minus 2. So minus 3 is dash than 2. Minus 3 or 2, which it is less or more, that you have to. It is less than or greater than, that you have to write here. Minus 3 is less. Okay, it is less than 2 and 3 is greater than minus 2. Okay. Fifth one, minus 4 is dash than minus 8 and 4 is dash than 8. So minus 4 and minus 8. Comparing these two, which one will be greater? We know that as the greater the number, lesser will be its negative. Okay. നമ്പർ എത്ര വലുതായാലും നെഗറ്റീവ് ഉണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതെന്തായിരിക്കും? ചെറിയ നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കും. സോ minus 4 is greater. Okay, so minus 4 is, in this blank you can write greater than minus 8 and 4 is dash than 8. 4 and 8 is greater. Okay, so 4 is less than 8. Okay, now sixth one, 5 is dash than 2 and minus 5 is dash than minus 2. So 5 is greater than 2. We know that 5 is greater than 2. Okay, and minus 5 is dash than minus 2. In case of negative 5 and negative 2, which one will be greater? Negative 2 will be greater. Okay, greater the number, lesser will be its negative. So minus 5 is less than minus 2. Okay. Seventh one, minus 6 is dash than 3. So minus 6 is less than 3. A negative integer, a positive integer. So which one will be greater? Positive integer will be greater. Minus 6 it is negative, 3 it is positive. Positive integer will be greater. So minus 6 is less than 3. And opposite of minus 6 is, what is opposite of minus 6? It is positive 6. Okay, opposite of minus 6, it is positive 6 is dash than opposite of 3. Opposite of 3 means it is minus 3. Okay, on comparing 6 and minus 3, which one will be greater? 6 is greater. Okay, so 6 is, here you can write a greater than minus 3. Opposite of minus 6, that is 6 is greater than opposite of 3, it is minus 3. Okay, 6 is greater than minus 3, that's why. Now 8th one, 8 is dash than minus 5. So 8, it is greater than minus 5. Positive integer and negative integer. So positive integer will be greater. So 8 is greater than minus 5 and minus 8 is dash than 5. So in case of negative number and a positive number will be greater. So minus 8 will be less than 5. Okay. Do the second one and third one as homework. Okay.